Sam 1.
Hey.
I've seen you in a while. How you been?
All right. Hey, what's going on, man?
What's up?
More cleanup?
Yeah, possession of stolen property.
Possession of stolen property, like shopping carts? Some of them?
Yeah. Warrants.
Oh, shopping cart.
So out here on LOVR, right by the freeway on-ramp, off-ramp, and there's been multiple arrests. I know some of them were for possessing stolen shopping carts.
In the bag, my wallet and my money, you just leave unattended.
So if you're a homeless person wheeling around a shopping cart, don't come by here. They'll probably arrest you for it. They have the two Mexicans cleaning crew, the junk removal. They've paid, I believe, hundreds of thousands of dollars to help clean up this project over here. But multiple arrests, guys. It's going down. Basically, what's going on?
Well, they're kicking everybody out here because it's private property. So now they're all displaced and they have nowhere to go.
Oh shit! When did this start?
About 15 days ago, they gave them a warning, and then the day of, it was raining, and they still had to go.
Yesterday?
In the pouring rain. And
Oh jeez, it was pouring hard.
Conditions, nowhere to go. So. Yeah.
Oh jeez.
Yeah.
Okay. Down this way?
Down this way, down that trail.
Gotcha. Is there people actively like working?
Yeah.
Like, gotcha.
Hey, Gabriel. I don't remember if you remember last time when that guy hung himself. This is actually closed off to the public.
No, yeah, they said they're letting people here though to like clean up and like the cleanup process.
Yeah, they're contracted for that. So obviously, you know, that's what the city's here, but you can't be here.
No, I know. It's just, what's your name? Warner?
We've met a couple times.
No, I know. I've had meet a lot of cops.
Yeah.
It's just there's people here running through, getting their stuff, and it seems like the only guy with a camera trying to document what's going on is the only one targeted. You know?
No, you're not the only one targeted. We've had multiple hikers, multiple people that we've also kicked out.
Okay, I'm not here to like cause any problems, bro. I just wanted to document what's going on.
No, but it wouldn't be fair because I had the same thing happen with the Tribune yesterday, and I had to remove them as well. So,
the Tribune came out here and you had to kick them out?
Yeah, so they got out here before I did. As soon as I got out here, they had to leave. So same thing, man.
All right, Warner. Do you have a business card?
I don't.
You don't?
But if you want,
Warner, what's your employee number?
It's 90046.
All right, thanks, man.
Yeah, you betcha, man.
So just so we're clear, if you're a resident, somewhat, they're free to come and go?
No, they're not free to come and go. We're trying to work with them, you know, on a humanitarian level because they do have property they want to keep.
Yeah.
So if we can avoid, since our storage level is a little more stricter than what theirs may be, we try and give them that little extra time.
Yeah.
So that way they can continue to have the property they believe is important to them. So
they can still kind of come back and gather their stuff, or no?
At this point, we've been
up to a point.
Yeah.
Up to a point.
Yeah.
All right.
So we try to work with them a little bit because at the same time they're still human. We're all still human, and so that's why we kind of give a little bit more leniency and that kind of discretion to kind of work with them.
All right.
Other than that, that's before you got here. We had about 7 people here, and now they're not entering this zone either.
So last question: How far back does this go? Does this go like how far?
So the area of Bob Jones Trail that's closed is everything outside that brand new fencing. So this portion is close to the public.
But
so
I mean,
on the trail,
encampment-wise, how far?
Well, it's basically to this creek here.
Uh-huh.
The other side is private. So we're at this spot here, and then we're moving to other camps as you head upstream.
Okay.
Which aren't very many. There's probably 4 or 5.
All right, I'll get out of here. I just wanted to try to document what's going on. All right.
Sure.
Have a good one, man.
You guys have a good one too. I asked a bunch of people that were on the trail like, hey, what's going on? They said, oh, people are kind of getting their stuff, what they can, and bringing it out. So I was under the impression that, you know, people were kind of allowed to come and gather their stuff, but it seems like they kicked out another news agency. And all we're trying to do, you know, all I'm trying to do is document it, but crazy. This right here, this is the Bob Jones Trail. And what they're saying is this little offshoot right here is private property. And you know, there was a sign posted right here. It's gone now. Let's walk by over here. Coming through, guys. Coming through. Is all this going for the junk? Or is this like property?
Not all of it.
Not all of it?
Depending on the city's threshold, it's how we get stored. So.
Gotcha.
This is what happens after 3 weeks of pre-knowledge.
Yeah. I heard you guys gave them 2 weeks notice and then started the cleanup.
Actually, 3 weeks.
3 weeks. Gotcha. Is this all trash? Basura? This is all trash. Got shopping carts, wheelchairs, blinds, lots of tires, suitcases. It's all trash. It's getting trashed. And there's still a lot of shit. A lot of shit, guys. So I just wanted to bring it to your guys' attention. First of all, that they had a van full of transient or homeless people. I, for one, think it's very petty to arrest a person for having a shopping cart that's stolen. You know what I mean? Like, it's... These people are on the hardest of times, and you're... Oh, yeah, now I see why you said that. MK Ultra. These people are on the hardest of times, and then they're gonna be put through the system as well, too. You know, what's up, Lethal? You be chillin' in the house? So now they're gonna be put through the system. Now they have fines to pay, and when they can't pay those fines, they're gonna get more time. They're gonna get warrants put out, and it's kind of like a never-ending loop. You know, what's up, Inferno, LD1, Mr. Bean? So I feel like it's really important to, at the very least, document this stuff. What's up, Karen? Big D. At least document this stuff so you guys know what's going on. And the guy out there that was talking is the head of the mental health. He's the guy that you go to if you are homeless and you want to get in a better situation. So he says, you know, I don't know, I've never had to do that, but that's what he's saying, and I think it would be worth a try. So let's go back up. All right, so I heard about a cleanup on Bob Jones Trail. Do you know?
Right now, the cleanup is on be the south end of the Bob Jones, or west end, and I'd say it's the 10th displacement of us moving us again when they weren't supposed to move us not once since COVID hit.
Okay. So they're calling this cleanup, and they're just like kicking people out, or? Yeah,
and we asked for where can we relocate, and they say 40 Prado, and there's one bed left, I think, maybe.
Oh wow.
And,
dang.
You know, it's you gotta go, and we don't care. We don't care where you go, but you gotta go.
For sure.
And then, you know, in that, a lot of us are disabled, and we lose at least 50% of our stuff because. And then look at the weather. We need rain, but you know, it really hampered.
Oh yeah.
Us getting our gear out of there.
Totally, I bet.
So they come in with, and I don't blame the 2Mexicans.com because it's a job. It's long, you know, it's a steady work.
Yeah.
You know.
Have you seen anything today though?
Oh yeah.
They're over there.
Yeah, they kicked me out of it yesterday.
I gotta go document it, man. Hey, thank you
Okay.
for sharing, dude. I appreciate you.